Yeah, yeah, yeah. Welcome to the biggest podcast in the world. Yeah. Me say dive into the rhythm, feel the new wave vibe. Yeah. Where fresh thoughts and voices come alive. Sondela, Amela, yeah. Asiphathelo kuhle kodwa ngena. Oh, iswakala nganeno. Ngoba ufuna ukuphoswa yilento. Usiphathelo kuhle kodwa ngena.
We recorded kancinga, is it 7
Yeah, 7.
7 episodes. So kule 7 episodes esirecordile and funa nje singene kuyo sithi nje i-review sijonge ba senze njani.
Okay.
Like for instance ngizoqala ngoku ndingene from the first episode we did. The first episode sasiyenzile phana if ndiyakhumbula kahle ezacacisa nje ngayo ndingene fast kuyo bayenzeke njani. Yona that episode wangamelanga basiyayishuta i-podcast.
The first one.
The first one is because of equipment was available.
Okay.
And then kwakune long weekend. Okay. So there was a long weekend. I think shoot and ngalamia. The Stellenbosch, ne? Was a Stellenbosch Nancy there was a gig in Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
So equipment go ishegile. Come on, man. Equipment ehlelileyo aba nje, we're not doing anything, so we need to use this equipment. Ndiyaqomba okay yazi noma siyenziwe wani. Luckily umanamathela affiliates lo Soul Culture athi yena ba hey man andisendele ke ngoko
Ingoma yakhe.
yeah ingoma yakhe i-link yengoma yakhe ka Spotify bakhe i-Soul Culture is back and bo mamele ingoma qha. Oh, this song is dope. Qomba okay yazi noma ndiyenze one masivele senzeni man babiza amajita sibekwe eLandscape 1 senze sinqokole senze episode elawele say organize la episode sizayi record and the way sasi organize ngayo it was very quick and yonke into zange ndichaze nasendlini banza ku record i-podcast and none say record and ngoma okay let's record an episode. I want to check ba is it this thing working. So which means I was testing waters ke ngokela xesha.
Yeah.
So that test amanzi hayi nyana yasebenza ngawo la singene kuwo nyani siyibona and then ke ndibona ke ngoko i-comments zabantu Facebook, YouTube like no man bro le way sayithanda qhubekekane nibheke phambili. And then ke ngoko this is when I decided, well guys, I think lanto bemane ndithetha nani 2 years back, but I'm planning to shoot a podcast. Like, it took us 2 years but ndiyakhumbula kahle.
Yeah, it is 2 years.
Bakanti siyayishuta i-podcast, so siyiplanele we for 2 years. Mane ndinibiza one by one, Lloyd iza, Lawyer iza, plan ushuta this thing and this thing.
Yeah.
And then I end up shooting Nansika. I end up shooting a Nansika podcast ke ngela day.
Yeah.
Because of availability of the what is this equipment. Yeah, and we did a very good job. I mean, it was a very
wonderful.
it was wonderful. And then we did another episode. I think wawungekho ngenye imini ke that was Eve, Lloydness.
Yeah.
And then Lamla. Okay, let me start kunansika the second one.
Steps.
Yeah, second one. Second episode, Eve, it went well. I liked the episode. It was good, but the problem I was having, Nancy was like, Lloyd, you need to just give a chance. Nancy
Guest it.
guest yet ithethe
Yeah.
ithethe igqibe into yayo. And then I even say like, okay Lloyd, wait yima, because ndiyabona uba
I remember,
izawubaleka
yeah.
because
Yeah,
le nto ifuna
I
uyithethe
remember.
because lo mntana ikhona uba afuna uyithetha yabo.
Yeah.
I think masingayisebenzisi le way
Skis.
yeah ibeke phansi
Too loud.
ne-sound wrong
Yeah.
yabo, beke nje phansi. And then ke ngoku xa sijonga pha yabona okay senza kakuhle. I think le phone icamkwa lewe iyaso iyayiyo kanye leyo then ke ngoku sijonge ke ngoku le podcast. I'm like, okay, the podcast is going well.
Yeah.
Kakuhle, right. Yeah, but then I was like, okay, I've got notes for Unanzika. I've got notes for
Not yakho.
Lloyd. Then these creepy notes. Nazi notes. Zinje nakanje nakanje. And then we went to the third episode. Third episode, it was who was the guest?
Eve.
No, the third
The
one.
third one.
The first one was
No, the third one
Lamsh.
was no. The third one was your episode, Lloyd.
Lloyd. Yeah.
That episode,
The fourth one.
no,
The
third,
third one.
third one. That
No, you
episode.
mistaken if I'm not mistaken.
No, I'm not. No,
No,
I know.
Mine is the third one, and then
The
the
third
fourth
one.
one is for
The
Lamsh.
second one, Eve.
The second one is
Listen to me, guys. I know this
Yeah.
thing. I edit and I know which one is there.
yeah.
Are you going according to release
According
dates or
to
your shoots?
a release and shoots, and it goes like
Yeah.
release and shoots because we
Yeah.
never missed everything. It went like that. Number 3, Lloyd.
Yeah.
We recorded very late that episode. I was like, okay, since the Uzmowa is not available because wakufana ungene Uzmowa phaya.
Yeah.
Uzmowa akakho available, so into masiyenze i-1 masivele senze enye i-episode kaLloyd yabo. Nyani ke siyenze ke i-episode kaLloyd siyenze, and the other episode went very well.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not saying but we need to copy his styles and stuff like that, but the format needs to go ngela hlobo. This is the
According-
format.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want bangaba simamele a guest
Okay.
with 20, like for the first 20 minutes and stuff like ithethe story sayo sisive ngaphandle koba iphazanyiswa. Okay, cool, fine. Then ke ngoku siyasilungisa loo nto leyo. Then the fourth one ke ngoku was uLamla. That one we fucked up.
So
Really fucked up.
So bad.
Everyone fucked up, including myself. Saimoshi podcast, Kalamla. And I'm really sorry for, I want to say sorry to Lamla for the episode akhange ibukeke kakuhle because kune
Clip
footage elahlekileyo.
Yeah.
And the footage yakhe elahlekileyo is because of into esasiyenzile that time. Like we fucked up at that time, like sayimosha nje. So ndifuna ke ngoku ndzanikela kuni ke ngoku
Yeah.
nani nibone ba mhlambe omnye othini, but I will start kuwe Luya for the first, because we recorded the first episode now
Okay.
asithethe, but I was not happy with the last episode. Yeah, but we just drop it because at least we've got
We have
camera
something.
one and we've got audio is good, and also uLamla usuke le anoba mhlambe kungaveli nix okanye ungaveli yabo.
Yeah.
Izaba wrong lo wele, and futhi ukuza ngapha egraph uzaba imali. So that is why I'm like, okay, let me just release the episode ngelihlobo ililo.
Okay.
Yabo. But izinto bendiqomba I don't like these things, and I it's fine, you can get the comments and stuff like, but if you feel it ngokwakho ukuthi this is not right, ayiyo le nto ndiyifunayo, yabo.
Accept it.
So now ndikuwe ke ngoku Luya,
Yeah.
qaba nawe mhlambe like
Okay.
kwi-Nantsika kwi-episodes from 1
From the
to
start. Okay.
4 esesireleasiwe.
First of all, I was so impressed with Lanoza episode yokuqala. Like what we did. I think yonke into siyenze si dedicated and si hungry for lento sifuna uyenza, and we were sober minded, yabo. Lanoza episode ka Lanoza ka Manamathela went well. I love it so much, and I'm not sure ukuthi nimamele how many times, yabo. Then Lanoza second episode bese kabangane biye yakho kanye ka Lanoza ka if niyithandile.
And just to go back the land that we had, yabo le sober minded
Yeah.
kuyo, if you remember correct,
Straight.
Yabuyisela back, if you remember correct,
Yeah.
we bought, is it 2 beers for you?
It was 2.
Yes, that was 2 beers for you,
Mm.
which means that was enough
Yeah.
for like a limit. That was a limit. If nekebe khona a limit when we do a limit.
When you do
Okay,
something.
go
Okay.
back. We were not sober. I'm telling the truth. We were not
To
sober.
be
because,
honest, my can city sober minded. I'm meaning like you were aware what you were doing.
okay.
Yeah, but like mausele 2 beers at least ukunika la umfo nje bese mfutweni ukhupha ishaye and everything ukwazi uthetha uzifeel comfortable, yabo. But when we did the episode kalamla, as you said about nawe wawungekho happy okanye nge-results or everything, we were drunk, like ansakhumbule uziqonde nami ndaphela ndilanweza ndistatarisha so ndiphele ndithindithe ndingawazi amagama ukuthi ndiwadeliverishe njani. So I wasn't happy ngelandoza ngala episode kalamla, as if ndingekho happy namhlanje ngayo. Xa nibukela like okay, I don't see anything wrong esiyenzileyo, but okay mandithi omnye umuntu akanobona nto wrong esiyenzileyo, but mina I can see ukuthi no, lena yinto, this is not what we aimed for, this is not what we planned, or this is not what we wanted, yabo. Okwangoku okokuqala, okay, mandiqale mbulele wena Denze, yabo, before ndiye deep, because I'm gonna go deeper, yabo. Mandiqale mbulele wena nge-opportunity osinika yona, yabo, ukuthi sibe lapha sikwazi uvula le podcast, sikwazi sihlale phansi sithethe zamajita, sikwazi ukukhulisa iLanoza i-hip hop okanye i-creatives zase Cape Town, yabo. Le into siyenzayo na it's so rare. Bakhona abantu abayenzileyo, but we wanted to do it on our way, yabo. Abantu bayayenza into yabo nomnye ayenza into yakhe, but thina sisixele okay no, sizoyenza ngelihlobo lethu, yabo. I loved the first episode yethu, I loved the second episode yethu, I loved the third episode yethu, which is Besino Lloydness kuyo bendi absent. Then boom, the 4th episode. Yabo leya isangicapukisa namhlanje. Qho xa nicinga ngayo, ingxaki yazi xa senza into wena Denza nawe Lloyd, kase sometimes le energy sasinayo kudala and sisenayo nangoku, I know ukuthi we respect umsebenzi wethu ne, and bafethu I want us to keep it that way, yabo, ukuze sirespectwe ngabanye abantu, yabo. Andifuni sithi simanyule ngabantu bathi abantu xa besibona nje yo asuka aba yabo. I want us to keep it that way.
I'm sorry, andizoba ngathi ndiyakukhatha ne.
Yeah.
We've got listeners and viewers, audience at the back ne.
Okay.
Abantu abasimameleyo ne ababebukele iNantsika i-podcast ne
Yeah.
esihleli nabo. So but ke ungaphazamiseki because there is a in and out ezawumane ingena, so but uqhubeke uthethe.
Okay.
Ngifuna nje uannounce lowo leyo.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
It's gonna be an in and out because we've got i audience ekhoyo.
Okay.
Ungaqhubeka but.
So as I was saying ne, like and andifuni sibe silanoza sidemotivateka ngento eyenzekayo or whatever. Dayazi okay besilanoza ne indlela esiyiyo xa siphansi kwembembeleko ezithile, like siyesahlala phansi ne sayincokola lanoza le fourth, andizoxinisa kakhulu kule fourth episode because I hate it so much. Yona akho nto elanoza phofu omnye umntu akazubona something bad, but thina we know what we did wrong, yabo. That's why namhlanje ayikahlali well apha kum, yabo. So ndicela into eyi-one, yabo, Lloyd nawe Cadenza, yabo, when you're doing lo msebenzi sesiziqalele wona luxanduva lethu, ndicela sisoze sigxininise kule plan sikuyo, like let's put alcohol or let's put anything ezosenzela ingxaki, into ezasiphazamisa, because we are good. I loved what we did kwi-second episode and the third episode. My only problem ibiyilanoza ibiyi-fourth episode, yabo. Which is ndisakhumbula ne after ndilanoza ndigqibo ishuta, like when I went back home, like I spoke to him, like I'm not happy namhlanje, yabo, because I don't know what we did. I even text to you Cadenza ukuthi now you see what we did namhlanje, like it's nonsense, okay, or it's bullshit, because amasimba, yabo, because into sensiyenzile sasiyenze ngaphezu kwembembeleko. That's why namhlanje ndicaphukela ilawezi before usebenze kaso wenze into oyenzayo usober minded, yabo, because that day I noticed us under pressure. We were relaxed, but we were just too drunk, yabo. So first of all, deliverance yethu, yabo. Omnye umuntu akanoyiqaphela, but thina since siyazi uba sifuna ntoni, since siyazi okay iplan yethu bithini, yabo. Omnye umuntu akanoyiqaphela, but thina siyayazi okay ba no we fucked up napha. So siye sahlala phansi sayithetha loo nto sayilungisa. Even nangoku, even though sithethile ukuthi okay into ethile masingaphinde siyenze, I'm still not happy ngendlela esenza ngayo i-fourth episode yethu. I'm happy with the first and the second and the third, yabo. So ingxaki yam isepha ku-fourth episode, yabo. I know ukuthi sisebenzile ne yonke into, even if umuntu oyibukeleyo emakhaya right now ne uzohlala phansi ayibona okay now when you go back to first episode, okay there was even two angles, even with second episode there was two angles, now with third episode there was two angles, but when it comes to fourth episode, even xa uhlali phansi uyimamele, yabo, like xa ungumuntu okay oyazi okay no lamajita la ebenze so first yabo eqala I loved lawo ezomsebenzi wayo eqala, but when xa uzoya kwi-fourth episode uzobona okay kuwelewele ngulo uyathetha even i-guest ayinikwa opportunity uba mayithethe enough, yabo. But mna I still hate loo nto leyo. I so wish singakhula like ngeli hlobo sesimamelana ngalo. I so wish singahlala phansi sicebisane okay no man ngesikhathi esithile so okay now nika omnye umuntu i-break so nomnye anike i-break so like nika ilandoza i-guest ilandoza isikhathi esithile, like xa ubuze i-question, yabo, zama uphefumula, yabo, uyiyeke ithethe, then the next person ezobuza umbuzo ne ngase umbuzo abe relative kwi-previous question, yabo, like singabuza umbuzo like okay nansi lethile into le
that's a good one,
into le, yabo, like
that's like ungena nje pha, that's a good one because into i-one it's lento, it's not about mhlambe une questions onazo for le guest uziqayile mhlambe banza ubuza into ethile, and then the next question now ayihambelana lento
nesithethayo, yabo,
we iyabonakala uba we not well researched about
and we're not prepared
yona, but xa sibuza and then si researchile kahle, which means ungena kakuhle ke
Yeah.
inansika
Kwa flow yayo.
but ke into I-right lowe sise indlela right siyafunda ngoku.
Okay, now for now I'm very happy, guys. I love what we are doing ne umsebenzi wethu mumhle. Beside lanozi episode ye for yethu. That's the only problem enayo. Otherwise I'm happy with everything esiyenzayo, like even as ebesenchilo nakuloyd na kuwe, like guys, I'm super proud of you. Yabo indlela esiyiyo I so wish ukuthi singayigcina ngehlobo seyililo, like if not sigcine ne, like if we have to learn, let's learn ukuthi senze better. Yabo, let's not give up for now.
Yeah, hayi ke ndiyakuvile mntana ngokusekuloyd sekuloyd, but before sekuloyd, let's go quickly to a short break, then we'll come back now.
Umjida Artivist Entrepreneurs Pty Ltd brings you the fresh Umjida Dry Gin, Umjida Wines, Artivist Dry Gin, Artivist Wine. You can get it anywhere. Just holler at us 084-03-81-900, or you can contact Cadenza at New Wave Podcast and get hold of us. Ijan Endala, Ijan Yasekasi, Umjida, a representation of a hero, Yaselokshini.
Okay, we are back again. Lloyd, sikuwe ngoku.
Yeah.
Phinda futhi sithethe nge number 4.
Yeah.
Episode number 4.
Yeah.
Asixelele ba number 4, like ube honest.
Yeah, it's about honest.
Aye,
It's about honest.
Let's do this. Let's go.
The difference is number 4 wethu. Mnanza kuye straight because I'm I'm happy ngezinto.
Yeah.
I don't like into ebhekecaleni when it comes to professionalism yethu and stuff. I hate it a lot.
Yeah.
So mna ndifuna ungicela kakhulu bras ku episode 4 ukuthi idlana inhliziyo ba.
Okay.
Under one matter. Why? You can always blame yourself, bras. That was the first time Spelela kula episode. Excitosis was there.
Yeah.
Yabona. A hunger for more ukuthi ngoku we back, and then we don't believe nathi ukuthi siphinde sabuya so i3 saphinda senza the same thing. Kodwa wayesekele yona uyamthola ukuthi this is a blessing. Not everywhere in Cape Town you will find like different brothers from different moms and dads. Senze way one. Benegazi eliyi-one, spirit esiyi-one, nengqondo eyi-one. So lento ngigqibo yithetha isekela lento ndithi sasi excited bros ukuthi finally I've met my twin again. Picture yourself udibane twin yakho after 2 years.
Yeah.
How would you react?
I'll be super excited.
Would you cope 100% on what you were doing before I fig?
Watch your mic.
Yeah, I'm watching my mic. So into eyi-one, into kumele siyenze bras. Masingazijudge ngale episode eyi-one. What if Zoe 3 as episode before the episode eyi-one zaziyi-flop and then ibe yi-one right?
Okay.
At least ili-one ngokusikhala ngayo ayisohlulanga bras. Ikhona reason behind episode 4. So mna niphelele apho ukuthi sasi excited ukuthi ifamily ibuyile again.
I'm with you.
So now after check the difference emva koko sikwazi ukuphinda sazicollector i-rules zaphinda zahlala, i-structure sahlala, umthetho wahlala we-episode. So I'm happy mna because yazi into enza happy one. It's not that I messed up.
Yeah.
Good, I was like able to
learn
learn a
or
mistake
something.
but in down now. Everybody gets excited, bros.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all
Can I come in quickly? Excitement, it's into ekhoyo edaliweyo and it's very good. Kumele ube excited yonke into ethini. But kuyo yonke excitement before yonke into, and it was planned. I don't wanna lie. I planned and I told everyone, good guys, after this episode we need to record another episode. Which we couldn't record that episode. Yabo, kwakufanele basiyirecordile. And then before si record, if sasirecordile la episode yokugqibela, we could have fixed ezazinto problems kula episode egqithileyo, yabo, but khange sikwazi urecorda the last episode, because Lloyd's was fucked, was out, unxelile, out. And then I checked, good, we can't do this episode without him. Sizenzele thina
Sodwa ecaleni. That would be awkward.
Because bendifuna abe khona, because the plan was to introduce, it went well. It was to introduce Lloydness xa efika, so that him introduce that there is a new co-host ozawufika. And then after that ends the episode yakhe without wena. Sim introducile kahle. That was a plan went well.
Sure.
But after that, I don't, this thing ayithethayo inyanisile. Now siyahlangana siba 3 now, endlela esingaqhelanga uhlangana esasigqibele ngakudala
After some years.
And then ke ngoku siyavuka isparked and ntoni siyahlangana siba 3 and yonke lento i-excitement ibe ngolo hlobo. Sizama usebenza phezulu kwaloo nto yoba, first we need to be real. Yabo, we need to be real kanjani, we need to be real like kanje. If simesapile senze into wrong, we need to admit to say, guys, senze into wrong up. And then what's the next thing?
We need to fix that.
And we're gonna fix that on the next episodes. That's what I know, because abantu ndihleli nabo apha, these guys are professionals.
I saw.
But ke ngoku i-professionals nazo xa zifikelele kwixesha loba ngoku kukho la excitement and then kunotywala kho yonke into, I'm not saying blaming into ezinjalo, but xa kwi-excitement then kunotywala and stuff like that, then ke ngoku babhume yonke lento imoshakala. But ke ngoku ndinifowunele ndanixelela uba hey guys, simoshile le way phana
straight.
And then the audience and the fans, let me not say fans, man, let me say the family. Let me say the family, the family, it's like us, basifakele ne-comments, basixelele uba ntona, which is bona basayithanda lento siyenzayo, and then it's something big now lento siyenzayo. But thina ukuze uyofikelela kule nto ngeli hlobo sasiyincokola ngayo le nto, but guys, we need lewe ibe ngolu hlobo asikafikeleli kuyo. I-percentage ezingayithetha ngayo ngoku, maybe we like 40 something percent, 45%, apho sifuna ufikela khona. There's a percentage of like the studio must look like this, we must like this, but zezo plans siyasizithethile zezethu, siyaziwazi sithi uba sizuzichazela abantu uba yinto enjani. We know that we on 40% basibe yile nto sibe yiyo. But kuyo yonke loo nto leyo sonke siyayiqala le nto, akho mntu ebeyazi yonke le nto leyo.
And nobody
This is
did it
why
before.
ke ngondithi kuni, just guys, give yourself a round of applause. A round of applause. Give.
Yeah.
Masivakale bras.
Yeah. That's the energy.
Yes. Yeah, but I like it, bro. I like it. Mamela, let's give now a chance kubantu bethu abasibukelayo, the top followers and the top audience esinazo esimane sisiza e-studio. If you want to come to a studio, let me just explain le nto kuqala before ndibanikeze bathethe nam. If you want to come to a studio, if you want to support this thing on Facebook, YouTube, you need to subscribe, and then kuzofikelela ixesha loba you need to buy a badge. You support us, you need to join, you need to say thank, which is every month. It never 10 rand, right? You just sneak a donation. Nonto ufunayo just qhubeka sibheke phambili, because yonke into siyenzayo iyachargewa imali, is expensive.
Gear,
We have
rent,
to rent a gear. So if wena mhlawumbe ufuna uyixhasa lento siyenzayo, ufuna uyibona ibheka phambili, i-2 rand, 1 rand ku-Capitec
Like
ilula.
2 rand zika KFC.
Right, i-2 rand ku-Capitec nantoni. Jo mamela ke mama, if uyafuna uyenza loo nto leyo, kule number nantsi apha ezantsi, kule number ilapha ezantsi. If uyafuna uyenza, uyafuna usixhasa, nantsi kule number ilapha ezantsi.
Please.
Ufake i-2 rand, ufake 3 rand, ufake 10 rand, ufake 20 rand, noba imali nofuna uyifaka, usixhasa sibheke phambili, because asinamali, siyayizama le weba iqhubeke ibheke phambili. Okay, now ndizanika ngoku abantu abayibukelayo lento, aba behind yona, abayixhasayo. Okay. Okay, manibe honest ke. These people abasemva, they're not just audience. Yeah, but
Part of a family.
they're part of a family. There is a content producer for this thing. So niga yena first, the content producer, to say something from 1 to 4. Ubone ntoni yena.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hi everyone.
Yeah. Hello.
Initially, I would like to thank you guys for ungami ingxaki zenu nize apha ku-New Wave Broadcast. I don't have a comment ku episode 1 and episode 2. I wasn't here, but ku episode 3 bendilapha. Bendilapha ku episode 3.
Okay.
Akalibaleki.
Highlight.
Episode 3 akalibaleki.
Okay.
So episode 4 also akalibaleki until today.
Yeah.
So and I believe kwinto eqalekayo zizaba khona challenges because iyaqaleka, obvious.
Yeah.
But ekugqibeleni ufuleke size ne-solution. We understand.
It's
So
beautiful.
intsebenziswano yenu ndiyayithanda kakhulu. For okay, let's start ku episode 3.
Yeah.
Lo bendiqale kuye. Episode 3 bekungekho kwa ingxaki ku episode 3. Ndi-enjoyile ne-fans zonke
Yeah.
zin-enjoyile. Ndibona kwa kwi-viewers like zinintsi, like from ku episode 1 as I xa ndicompare episode 1 no episode 3. Iba ngathi episode 3 episode 1 episode 1 episode 3.
Unexpected.
Okay.
Yeah. So ku 4 izincinci wethu, but ke senizisombululile.
Yeah.
Ku 5 episode 5 it's not out yet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just thinking now.
Actually.
But I was just
But
thinking
I-
episode
yeah.
5 gombi.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
did you say obsessed?
Yeah.
Andifuna baxelele ukuthi episode 5
Ngaleyo
ukhona.
ndlela,
It's coming.
Yeah, but it's
but
coming.
Otherwise, yeah, ndiyabulela kakhulu ngentsebenziswana. So fun, happy.
All in
I'm
all,
very
yeah,
happy.
we want to
Yeah.
appreciate
Yeah.
wena nathi ngendlela ongayo because you make it easier for us kuthi sisenze lento siyithandayo and then yo hayi andifuna uyithetha
High five.
you are so supportive.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Thank you very
Appreciate
much,
you ngaloo
guys.
ndlela, we appreciate you ngaloo
Don't have
ndlela.
much to say. Thanks.
Thank you so
You are
much.
our
Thank you.
strength, yeah.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, okay. Sizawunikela ngoku to the next one, but ndiyabulela for yena aze athethe naye ilantuka by the way ngoanele njani it's my fiance.
God bless you.
So but it's my kuthiwa ibiza into kanana in partner in business and
Partner in
yonke loo nto.
business, yeah,
no,
partner in crime.
Yes. And then naye she's producing, but if you don't know what is producing, just give me a comment, like ask me to separate like what is because this is another topic and you mean to explain what is producing exactly, because the people, they don't know what is producing. They thought like producing, like maybe you produce beats and stuff. This is not beats. Even if
that's
you
a different
even
story.
in the music industry, producing is not that. There is, you need to understand, there is a producer, content producer. You need to be learned what is that. We're gonna talk about that. I'm gonna bring people about the industry. Bazo explain abazi expect kwi industry. Like I'm gonna bring like the directors, producers, executive producers, and then you when you watch the movie, you understand what is the roles of these people. and stuff like. But let's go again to another quick ad break, and then we could come back.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Zia khawuphawule 1 2 3 1 2 3 wena kwezi sozibukele inansika i-episode sozibukele wena Zia kwezi sozibukele ke eziya i-episodes from 1 to 3 ube honest noba mhlambe awumukelanga u-episode 2 on then but kwezi sozibukele ngoku-episode sesizirecordile uzawutsho wena into oyibonileyo e-positive and-negative. Or you can start from negative and then you go to positive. If there is no like that, you can say like I andiboni ndinikela kuwe ngoku.
Oh, hi people. Episode 1, Timbukele, was it? Oh, that guy, yes, Soul Culture, ne?
Yeah.
Episode 2, I'm not
I
sure.
think that was episode 1.
Eh,
Soul Culture episode 1.
1, low Soul Culture. Episode 2 was you. And Koshong Makamau. But was Ella Lady.
With
Yeah.
Eve.
Episode 3, I'm not sure banda benimbukele. Let me go about episode 3.
Episode 3 Lloyd. Episode ya Lloyd funny like same thing but different ways.
Oh, I remember that one. I remember that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maskele with.
Yeah.
Kuyo.
Exactly.
How can you move from 1 to 3 like
Let's go to fourth one because I want to agree with Lloydness on something.
Yeah.
Because this is one.
Excitement, guys.
That-
Excitement got you guys.
Okay.
Uluya sent me the link saying, Zia, please watch this. I'm not happy at all. And after I watched it, my comment was, guys, there's always a room for improvement. You must learn from your mistake. Yeah, that was my comment. So, whatever you guys were not happy about, but it's something that you learned from.
Yeah.
Kuthiwa ngesixhosa liphandla libeka yi-1 ne?
Yeah.
So I don't believe you guys will
Aphandla kabili.
make the same mistake again.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Yeah,
appreciate that.
that's it.
That's a positive.
one.
It's a positive
one.
one. Hey man. Where's from 1 to 4? Which one out? I got an ekhayizile pam.
Kokwaleka soul culture.
Miyeke.
Okay.
For me, I think I enjoyed episode zonke up until Uluya said he is not happy ngofo. Then I had to go back and see, but like kwenzeke ntoni exactly. So now I agree with Ofo. From start saying you guys did like you did great. Niqala like into yenu niyayiqala. And I'm living in the future. I'll always say the time ndibukele oqala I'm say sendinibona nise TV ni guys already. Then I was like, I'm happy. And the moment kusithiwa kuyoshutwa, like I'm patiently waiting for makude kuphume link ndizobukela ba kwenzeka ntoni. And honestly I will drop everything noma ngisemsebenzini ndiyayeka la nto bendiyenza ndifocus. And I don't care noba kuthiwa yi2 hours. Hayi ndizoyiba 2 hours abelungu ndibukele.
We appreciate you.
But guys, you're doing great, Sheb. I don't want to lie.
Wow.
And
Wow.
all the best, guys. I'm so proud. I am super proud, and I wanna see you guys going places. I wanna see you guys on the billboards. Like, no, you're doing great, guys.
Thanks, yeah.
Thank
we
you.
needed those ways.
We
Yo,
appreciate you.
Thank you.
Welcome to the biggest podcast in the world. Yeah. Me say dive into the rhythm, feel the new wave vibe. Yeah. Where fresh thoughts and voices come alive. Yeah. From deep conversations to the latest trends. Yeah. Won't you join us on this journey where the wave never ends? It's inspirational, yeah. Educationally, conversationally, and intellectually. The gold and the best in the game, yeah. Tell me how you catching the wave, yeah. It's a new wave, yeah. It's a new wave. It's inspirationally, educationally, conversationally, and intellectually. The best and the gold in the game, yeah. Tell me how you catching the wave, yeah. It's a new wave, yeah. Catch a new wave, yeah.